Have you ever turned on your microwave and suddenly smelled something burning? Not burnt food, not popcorn, but sharp, unpleasant smell like plastic, wires, or electronics. Your first thought might be, is this dangerous? And the short answer is, yes, it can be. But here's the good news. In most cases, a burning smell in a microwave has a simple cause, and you can fix it yourself in minutes. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes of burning smells, what you can safely check at home, when to stop immediately, and when it's time to call a professional. No guesswork, no unnecessary repairs, just clear, practical troubleshooting. Let's start with the safest and most common reason. The most common cause, food splatter. The number one reason a microwave smells like it's burning is something incredibly simple. Old food residue. Every time food explodes, splashes, or boils over, tiny particles stick to the ceiling, the sidewalls, the corners you never look at. Over time, these food stains dry out. Then, every time you use the microwave again, they reheat, burn, and release a bad smell. This smell can be strong enough to make you think something is wrong electrically, but it isn't. What to do? Unplug the microwave. Remove the turntable and roller ring. Use warm water and mild dish soap. Clean the ceiling, very important. Sidewalls, door edges. If needed, heat a bowl of water with lemon for 3 minutes to loosen stubborn grease. After cleaning, let it dry and test again. Backhand index pointing right in many cases. The burning smell is completely gone, but if it's still there, keep watching. The waveguide cover. This is one of the most overlooked microwave parts. Look inside your microwave. On one of the sidewalls, you'll see a small rectangular or square panel, usually made of mica or thin plastic. This is called the waveguide cover. Its job is to protect the magnetron, prevent food and moisture from entering the microwave's core. Why it causes burning smells. Over time, grease and moisture soak into this cover. If it gets burn marks, dark spots, cracks or holes, it can overheat, spark, and smell like burning plastic. What to do? If it's dirty, clean gently with a damp cloth. If it's burnt or damaged, replace it. Warning, never use a microwave with a damaged waveguide cover. It's cheap to replace, but dangerous to ignore. Turntable and bottom area. Another simple but common problem. Food often falls under the glass plate, into the roller ring, onto the microwave floor. When this food burns, it creates a plastic-like smell, a smoky odor, sometimes even visible smoke. What to do? Remove the glass plate. Remove the roller ring. Clean both thoroughly. Clean the bottom surface. Dry everything before reinstalling. Many people skip this step and wonder why the smell won't go away. Plastic and non-microwave safe items. Not all containers belong in a microwave. A burning smell may come from cheap plastic containers, takeaway boxes, old cracked microwave bowls. These plastics may look fine, but under heat they melt slowly, release strong chemical smells, can damage the microwave interior. Rule of thumb, if it doesn't clearly say microwave safe, don't use it. If you smell burning plastic during heating, stop immediately. Remove the container. Ventilate the room. Electrical burning smell very serious. Now we move into danger territory. If the burning smell is sharp, electrical, like melting wires, or happens even when the microwave is empty, warning, stop using it immediately. Possible causes include failing magnetron, burnt high voltage diode, overheating transformer, damaged internal wiring. These components operate at extremely high voltage. Crossmark, never open a microwave yourself. Crossmark, never test it while disassembled. Even unplugged, microwaves can store lethal electricity. If the smell continues after cleaning, right arrow, unplug it. Right arrow, call a qualified technician. Warning signs you must not ignore. Stop using your microwave immediately if you notice smoke, sparks inside, loud buzzing or humming, burning smell after a few seconds, smell coming from the back vents, Continuing to use it can destroy the magnetron, damage your home wiring, create a fire risk. Quick decision guide. Here's a simple rule. Food smell? Clean it. Grease smell? Clean waveguide and interior. Plastic smell? Replace container. Electrical smell? Stop and service. Simple checks save money. Ignoring signs costs more. A microwave is one of the most used appliances in your kitchen, but it's also one of the most misunderstood. Most burning smells are not serious, but the dangerous ones give clear warnings. Now you know what to check first, what you can safely fix, and when to stop. If this video helped you, support the channel by liking and subscribing to Easy Solutions. We focus on real appliance problems, honest troubleshooting, and saving you money. Thanks for watching and stay safe.